I think I got it figured out. All the wires are hooked up properly. Remember that little switch on the side? I've got the power back on. Remember the switch on the side? I told you you turn it one way for summer and the other way for winter. I don't think I didn't turn it or anything, but I'm wagering that it's not pushed over all the way. I think it's kind of in the middle. I'm going to try. Look at that. That's what it was. That's what it was. I had it all hooked up. Now I gotta fish all the wires back up in there, and it went because it was still reading that this was on when I turned the breaker off. Okay. So hey, we'll turn it off just to let you see. I've never had that happen before, and that switch came that way in the box because I didn't when I showed you it, I didn't push it or anything. Okay, let's get this off. Is it off? I want it off. Okay, I think that's off. It's just running so good. It's gonna take a little bit for it to stop. Okay. All right. Same thing. I didn't do anything to the wires. You just have to turn one of these buttons. See, you'll figure it out. And that's on low. If I press it again, it'll go on medium. If I press it again, it'll go higher. And then the light kit is on. This, if you press it to the left and press it a few times, it'll start dimming. See, I can see it dimming. See, off, on, and then on the right it turns. See, that's kind of a bluish white light. And look, it's even bluer and a different color and a different color. I kind of like the yellow. And see, let's get it up to full speed, to full brightness. I kind of like the yellow myself, but you can do however you want. Speed this up, do whatever. 1, 3, 5 hours. See, it's faster now. And that's the way. If you're standing right below it, oh man, I can feel the air. And if I were to turn it the other way, see, I would have to turn this off, and I believe I got it off now. Okay, remember which way it's going now. Okay, you see it's going that way, and I think it's off right now. It's just going so good. Now if I flip that all the way to the right, now the blade will go the opposite direction. And that'll be, see? What you have to get up there on a ladder. That's kind of cheesy. Most handheld remotes, there'll be a reverse button on here, and then you can turn the reverse button even when it's on. Okay, obviously you can't get up there and turn it until it's off. But then see, in the winter, it sucks the air up, and then sucks it, hits the ceiling, and then hits the ceiling, goes across, comes down your walls, and then it circulates back up into the middle of your room and goes out. Like that. Okay? We happen to be in the winter, but we don't use this room very much. In fact, we've probably only had one guest sleep in this room so far. And we've lived here for quite a few years now. And that's why it was, because this button, if it just caught about in the middle, it's not going to go on. Isn't that something? Had I have known, I could have I should have tried that, but I wasn't even thinking about that. I was just hard pressed on thinking, hey, what is going on? Okay, so now it's working. Now I'm going to turn it back off. And before I start messing with those wires, even though the power is on and all the wire nuts are up there, I'm still going to be safe rather than sorry. I'm going to turn the breaker back off, reposition all the wires just like I had it before, get it all back up in there before I turn the power back on. That's the right way to do it. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.